focus. Speed. I am speed. Victory. 1 winner, 2 losers. Speed. 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 Speed.
Hey, Lightning, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Mac, thanks for being my pit crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Not really.
Nelson, zoom in. Ready, 16? Take 16.
And there he is, Lightning McQueen, missing all week, and then he turns up in the middle of nowhere in a little town called Radiator Springs.
Wearing white wall tires of all things.
Hey, where you been, McQueen? I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I mean, except the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your fans, but now they're my fans. Anyway, listen to what the twins think.
Boogity, 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 boys! Let's go racing!
Come on, you can do
Come on,
it.
King, make us proud, boy!
50 laps down, and the King is still holding a slim lead.
Hey, McQueen's got a run on him. He's looking to the inside. Oh, Jim slammed the door on him.
Jake's not making it easy on him today.
Oh, man, he lost so much momentum, and now he's going to have to chase him back down.
Oh, McQueen spins out in the infield.
Just me and the old man, fellas.
McQueen just doesn't have it today. Hey, kid, you all right?
I don't know, Mac. I don't think
I didn't come all this way to see you quit.
Doc? Guys, you're here! I can't believe this!
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut. Now get back out there.